Hello, everyone. It's Antonella, and today we're talking about the entrepreneur life is more than hard work, finding the fun in our everyday lives. Chances are, as an entrepreneur, you're like me, you have a day job, and then you come home at night and you work on your passion project. And that passion project is your business. So it kind of brings us to a question. Can the entrepreneur life actually be fun? The answer is indubitably correct. Yes. So, as new entrepreneurs, we dream about owning our own business. Our dream is filled with thoughts of freedom, earning money while we sleep, having more free time. Yes, it's hard work. And yes, all of those things are possible because there are people doing it every day. The reality is, most of us, after working all day, we come home and we'll spend another 2 to 4 hours on our business. Yes, it is a lot of work, but it doesn't have to be that brain draining, life sucking that takes the life out of you and leaves you feeling like a wet noodle, right? So the secret is coming up soon. So hold on a moment, we're almost there. So we want to have fun, right? So we have to start off on the right foot. We want to pick something that we're passionate about or something that we want to learn more about. Let's face it, if you're going to be spending this much time on something, it needs to be something that you're going to be able to spend that much time on. You need to pick products and services that you believe in because that authenticity comes through even through the screen or a video. People can hear it in your voice. They can tell from your tone whether or not you've actually used it. You're going to want to invest in mentorship and training. I know I mentioned that a lot, but it's really important. It's what's going to allow us to actually excel and succeed on a quicker pace. So now let's jump into the fun, right? Systems. I'm a strong believer in systems. I love programs that have systems that you can follow and provide you support. I love things with communities. At the end of the day, that system will give you more time and your family will still know what you look like at the end of the day. You're gonna stretch and try new things. People around you are gonna be like, I can't believe that Antonella's doing A, B, and C. And that's okay. We want them to think that. We want them to be in awe of all the things that we're achieving and accomplishing. You're going to get better at it. And that's the most important thing here. The better you get at something, the less time it's going to take you, which will free you up to spend more time on things that you want to do in your business. You and your business are going to thrive and excel. Money follows fun, or fun follows money, whichever way you want to put that sentence is true. The real secret here isn't the money. It's the freedom that that money gives you. It's the ability to spend time with your family without working 24 hours a day. When we do it right, we're going to get to do it with mentors who support us every step of the way. They're going to help us grow our business. They're going to help us make a profit. And bam, how much fun is that? Think about that. Not only do you get the life you want, but you also get double the fun because you have help along the way with your learning and implementing. One of the ways that I can help you is with my 10-part email course, where I can actually offer you a great bonus at the end for my friend Paul. It's his underground white hat system that shows you how to never have to pay for your advertising again for free. Don't know how long he's going to offer it, so take advantage of it while you can. So what are you doing to add fun into your life and into your business? Comment that below. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Subscribe to my channel and hit the notify bell so that you can be notified of my next video.